Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with these 2 wood rounds that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I have drilled a hole in each one of them. Next, I am going to paint each one white just around the inside. And I did 2 coats of the white. And it's just white acrylic paint. I don't want to get any on the bark on the edges. Next, I'm going to take these stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby. They're just the Christmas stickers. They're $2.99 and then they're half price, so they end up being $1.50. And you get quite a lot of stickers, and some of them are kind of cute and vintage. So I'm going to pick out the 2 stickers that I want for my rounds. So I'm kind of measuring up to see the sizes and what will fit. I'm going to put a coat of Mod Podge down on each one of these wood rounds right over the paint. And then I'm going to add my stickers. So I'm going to pull this one off. And I'm going to set it off to the side. Not going to do it directly in the center because I'm going to add another sticker on the other side. And it's just a little girl decorating a tree. And then the date sticker that was on there that said December 25th. And I'm going to repeat the process on the other one. But this one I'm going to do a cardinal. And they had like a cute cardinal sticker. Just peel that off. And these have clear backings, so it's really nice that they blend right in. And then I'm going to grab that Season's Greetings one, and I'm going to add that to the top right above the cardinal sticker. And then I'm going to let these dry, let that Mod Podge underneath dry. And then once that was all dry, I am going to take some Mod Podge on a paintbrush and just go around each sticker. So I'm just going to go around, not getting it on the sticker. If I do, I end up wiping it off. And I'm just going to go right around, right to the edges of each one. You can kind of even overlap on the edges. Just try not to get any on the design or the wording. And once you have all of that on, I'm going to take my glitter and I'm just going to dump it all over it so that it glitters all around everything but the sticker. And then if I missed anything, I'll just go back through with a little bit of Mod Podge and add it in, and look how cute that is. And I'm going to repeat the same process on this other one, just again adding the Mod Podge all the way around, then adding the glitter. I want to kind of blend in the edges of the sticker so that you don't really notice that it's a sticker. And then again, just banging off the excess, and look how pretty these are. So I'm going to give them a little bit to dry so that I don't get glitter stuck everywhere. I'm going to take this tinsel ribbon, and I think I got this at Walmart, and I'm going to push it through. I just used a little mini screwdriver to push it through the hole. And then I'm going to tie it off at the top. Just going to tie it in a quick knot. And repeat the process on the other one. Same thing, just tie it in a quick knot. And you can use as much ribbon as you want, depending on how long you want them. Then I just cut another piece of ribbon, and I pinched it in the center, and I tied it off with the same tinsel ribbon that I used for the hanger. And I'm going to hot glue those right on top. And then I used these little tiny snowflake buttons that I got at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put that right in the center of the bow. And I did that on both of them. And just add it right underneath and put that little snowflake in the center. And these are all done. I think they turned out so super cute. I absolutely love them. Look how cute they are. They're easy to make and fun to personalize with any stickers that you can find. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.